Hey everyone, it's Miss M. Today we are going to be looking at different types of solids. As we go through, I would like you to draw the solids and label them. So first let's look at cylinders. Cylinders have a curved surface and two parallel bases. Their bases are made up of circles. So we know that radius goes halfway through the circle, and then we have height. If we flattened this shape out, we get something called a net. And this is what the net of a cylinder looks like. Its curved surface is a rectangle and then has two circle bases. So you can kind of think about a soup can and the soup labels. When you're finished copying this down, you can go ahead and copy down the cone. The cone, see, we have a vertex up here, and we have two types of height. It's important to know the difference. Here, straight up and down is the regular height. The height going on up the side of the cone is called the slant height. Make sure you're able to tell the difference between the two. Okay, we have the curved surface, which can also be called the lateral surface. And then we have the base of the cone, which is a circle. And we know halfway through the circle is the radius. If we flatten the cone out to get its net, you can see here we have the curved surface and we have the circle base. Next, we have spheres and hemispheres. Okay, so spheres we can think of as a globe or a basketball. Right through, going from the center to the outside, we have the radius. And if we cut this sphere in half, we get two hemispheres. Okay? And we don't have a net here really because a net is just going to be the circle. And last, we have pyramids. There's three different types of pyramids. So first, we can look at a square pyramid, which we can see we have the height, and we have a square base, and the net has a square in the middle with four triangles on the outsides. Rectangular pyramid is very similar to the square, except it has a rectangular bottom, and we have the height and the rectangular base. The net has a rectangle in the middle with four triangles on the outside. And then we have the triangular pyramid. You can see our height and the triangular base. And here's our net. It has a triangle in the middle with our three triangles on the outside. And then we need to identify cross sections. So cross sections are what are formed if we sliced the shape. So let's think about putting a piece of paper horizontally through this pyramid. If we opened it up, we would see a square. So the cross section is a square. Now, if we sliced this pyramid with a piece of paper vertically and opened it up, we would see a triangle. So the cross section is a triangle. Now it's your turn. Copy these down in your notebook and write down the cross section you see. Once you have done that, your notes are completed for this video.